In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add classes in Teachable Machine. Think of classes as the categories your model will learn to recognize. Each class represents one label, like thumbs up and thumbs down for images, different sounds for audio, or specific body positions for pose. Clear classes make for a clearer model, so getting this right from the start really helps. Begin by creating a new project or opening an existing one in Teachable Machine. Choose the type that matches what you want to build: image project, audio project, or pose project. Once your project opens, you'll see class boxes in the workspace, typically labeled Class 1 and Class 2. These serve as your starting categories and show where you'll add data for each label. To add more categories, find the Add a Class button with the plus icon. It's usually right below or next to the existing class boxes. Click it each time you want to create another category. You can add as many as your project needs, but remember that more classes often require more data to perform well, so plan accordingly. After adding a class, give it a clear, descriptive name that matches what you want the model to learn. For example, thumbs up, thumbs down, or background. Short, specific names are best. Avoid special characters and keep naming consistent, so it's easy to understand later. You can also rename the default Class 1 and Class 2 by clicking on their labels and typing new names. Next, add training data for each class. This is what teaches the model what each category looks or sounds like. In an image project, you can upload images or capture them with your webcam. Aim for variety: different angles, lighting, backgrounds, and examples that include real-world imperfections. Keep the number of images balanced across classes so one label doesn't dominate. In an audio project, record or upload sound samples for each class. Capture multiple short clips with clear audio and minimal background noise. Include natural variations in pitch, speed, and environment so the model learns robust patterns. For a pose project, collect examples of each body position you want to classify. Keep the camera steady, maintain consistent framing, and record a handful of slightly varied examples for every class. Repeat the cycle: add a class, name it, and add representative data. The more balanced and diverse your examples, the better your model can learn. That's all you need to add classes in Teachable Machine and set up solid training data for each one.